Hello, I'm Klaus from Essemtec. We are a Switzerland-based company. Essemtec is very strong in PCB assembly, mounting of complex PCBs, high mix and low volume. And our second focus point is the dispensing and jet printing, especially of solder-based and SMT blue applications, where we have a lot of experience and technology. And we are happy to be here with our partner DKSH, which is a very strong partner, and we also have a very strong focus in the service area. So the Essemtec vision for Asia Pacific is it's a quite new market for us. Our history and our roots is in Europe and in North America, but the electronic industry is happening a lot in Asia Pacific, and now we are going to this market to support our customers excellent along their growth path.